Here's question number 15 on the Unit 1 review. Alright, so again, this is another equation. And so I'm going to ask myself, okay, so the first one I leave alone. This one I distribute, so I'm going to distribute a negative 2 to negative 4x, which makes it 8x. Then negative 2 times 3 gives me a positive 6. I see it. Excuse me. But it's. Let me do that over again because that's not right. Okay, let me start again. Alright, so it's negative 6 plus 8x. Then I'm going to distribute a negative 2 to negative 4, which gives me 8x. Then I'm going to distribute, remember it's negative 2. Negative 2 times 3 gives me a negative 6. Okay, so now I'm going to add the number over to both sides. Bring down my 8x. That becomes a 0 pair, and that becomes a 0 pair. So then I can subtract 8x to both sides to get my x's together, and I end up getting a 0 equals 0 with no variable. And does 0, you got to make sense of it, does 0 equal 0? Well, yes, 0 does equal 0. And because of that, this answer is all real numbers. And you see if you remember what the symbol is. It's a double bar R looking thing. Okay? It means an infinite set. Okay? Alright, so remember in inequality, whenever you're doing inequalities, be careful. If you have 0 is greater than 4, you have to make sense of it. Is 0 greater than 4? Well, that answer would be no, so it would be no solution. But if 0 is less than 4, which is yes, that would be all real numbers as well. So you just have to make sense of the final statements. If there's no variable, no x is greater than, or x is less than, or x equals, and it's just numbers, you got to make sense, see if the statement's true. If it's true, it's all real numbers. If it's false, or no, it's no solution.